Hi, it's Miss Rowe. This is an extension of my last video for lesson 2. Sorry, my video stopped when I was making a logo, so let's get back to it. So watch lesson 2 first, and this is right at the end. It's only a couple of minutes. Okay, so Rose Travel. So that's the name of my travel company. I've just made it nice and easy. You could use your surname. You can call it Rainbow Travel. You could call it Sunny Travel. Entirely up to you what your travel agency is called for this project. So what we're going to do is I've moved it over here like in the last video. We'll go over. Here's how to make a logo. So obviously you can use Publisher, PowerPoint, Word, entirely up to you. If you're any good with Photoshop, you can even use that. So, or there is Serif Draw Plus. That's another one that's quite nice and easy to make if you've got it, or if you've used it at school. So here you go, Adventurer Black. You can go through each one, see which one's for you. So for now, I'm just going to choose a nice simple one. There's loads more. You can go right down the list. Goes on and on and on. Find out which one is most suitable for you and your clientele or customer. So if, say, for example, I might use this one if I'm reaching out to the elderly crowd. So for example, if I wanted your grandma and granddad or older relatives to use it, I might want to change it. Whereas this is quite fun. So some of them, like this one, might want to use it for younger people. You might choose one that looks a bit like the Disney logo, which you could use for families. Anyway, I'll let you explore. But for now, I'm going to use this one. So we've highlighted, we've chosen that. We can either change the font size, like I said in the last video. So I'll put it to 16. Or if there's an A with an arrow above it. There's two. So there's A and A. That increases, that decreases the font size. So if you can see now, if you don't think you're quite finished and want to make it bigger, then just keep pressing it, or press the decrease button instead. So it decreases the size. So increase, decrease. Now we're going to make it a bit different. So I might want to make it yellow, or I might want to make it green. So just to make it a little bit more sunnier. But what you must remember is if you've chosen a certain colour scheme, or a colour palette, I should say, for your house style, make sure your logo fits in with that. Otherwise it does look a bit messy. So if I put Rose Travel in the corner and then everything's a different colour and it doesn't complement it, then obviously it doesn't look very professional, which is reaching the higher grades. So let's have a look here. I think we're going to go with a bit of a yellow. Yellow's not normally my favourite colour, but I think for this task, it just looks sunny, doesn't it? It's nice. So we can make that a bit smaller if we don't think it looks good. So there's another thing you can do is if you highlight, you can actually use word art instead. So if you go up here, where all like this is the bold, italic, underline is, if you just go to that one there, click on it, it gives you different types of like text with shadow on. So that looks quite cool, really. And you can change it underneath, like the reflections, and you can make have a glow around it. So we'll choose that there just for this example, and we'll make it have a glow. So you can see there's a yellow glow. So we'll make it black with a yellow glow. There you go, done. So that is our logo. If you want to save that and then add it into your folder, so I'd put it into my Sorrento folder as my logo, we can use that for now. Okay, so that's how you make a little logo. So I've zoomed into this. So if say this was going to be, hold on, there we go, this is my letter. So this is Rose Travel right to the edge. And if we were going to write a letter to our, say, all the customers, we might want to add our address here. So we'll just put 123 Sunny Drive, Sorrento, Italy. Oh, ignore that. So that is, you can, again, you can make this, you can change it so we'll have it all on one side so it looks better. And that is our address. We can make it bold. So give that a go anyway for now. And then what I'll do is I'll upload another video for lesson 3 next week. So you've got a week now to finish and catch up with lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay. Bye for now.